Hello guys, so I would want us to look at the solution of this question. Show that the equation of the parabola 4y squared plus 12x minus y is equal to 0 is, so show that it can also be written in this form. Now, recall that x can also be expressed as r cos theta, y can also be expressed as r sin theta. As you can see, all these are in form of y, but our answer is in form of just theta. So ideally, what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to write this in terms of r theta. So we will make r the subject of the formula, as we always do when we are expressing Cartesian equations to polar equations. So here, where there's y, I will replace with r sine theta. So I will have 4 into r sine theta, but since it's squared, it will be r squared sine squared theta plus 12, where there's x, I'll replace with r cos theta minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so rewriting this, I will have 4 sine squared theta r squared plus 12 cos theta r minus 9. Now, I want to make r the subject of the formula. So this forms a quadratic equation with this being my a value. So if we were to have it in this form, b, and this being c. So getting the value of r using the quadratic formula, we will have minus b, that will be minus 12 cos theta plus minus the square root of b squared, that will be 12 cos theta squared, so that will be 144 cos squared theta minus 4 times a, our a is 4 sine squared theta, times c, our c is minus 9. All this divided by 2a. So all this divided by 2 times 4 sine squared theta. So simplifying this, we will have our r being equal to minus 12 cos theta plus minus, I can factor out 144 because this, and this will give me 144. Okay, so let's just have 144 cos squared theta first plus 144 sine squared theta square root all this divided by 8 sine squared theta. 8 sine squared theta. So this gives minus 12 cos theta plus or minus, so opening the bracket there, factor out 144, then we'll have cos squared theta plus sine squared theta. Cos squared theta plus sine squared theta. This is an identity which gives us 1. So all this divided by 8 sine squared theta. So r will be equal to minus 12 cos theta plus minus the square root of 144, which is 12, because this one will give us 1. So 12, all this divided by 8 sine squared theta. Now looking at our expression here, we have our answer in terms of cos. So we can express the denominator in terms of cos. So I can have this as minus 12 cos theta plus minus 12, all this divided by 8 into 1 minus cos squared theta. Now this down here, this is a difference of 2 squares. So, and up here, as you can see, we have 12, we have 12. So I can be able to write 12 outside, then I'll have minus cos theta plus minus 1. All this divided by 8 into, down here, 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. Okay, so this is the same as 1 plus minus, this is the same as 1 minus cos theta. So I can cancel this and this. 12 and 8, I will have 4 goes there, 3 over 4 goes here, 2. And then 1 over 1 plus cos theta. So this basically gives 3 over 2 into, can express it as cos theta plus 1. And hence the proof, because we were told to show that 3 into 2 cos theta plus 1. And as you can see, there's is parity, so this was supposed to be a plus, not a minus. Okay, so that's how we go about it.